Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this look off of Romantic Beauty's palette. It's a 35 color palette and I'm going to be trying them out today for the first time and you guys will get to see that. Also, there's other products that were sent to me. This is not a sponsored video. This is a video for review. So I'll be going ahead and let you know my thoughts at the end of this video, okay? Thank you so much. If you can like, comment, subscribe to my channel, that'd be amazing. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. Okay, let's get started. Let's go ahead and prime our face. I'm gonna be using the Romantic Beauty makeup primer. It comes in this box. It's called Gold Star Silky Gold Foil and it says it's for all skin types, so should be good. That's thick. She thick. I like to smell products. It doesn't smell like anything. Feels nice. It feels cool. And I think it feels like what's water based is like a serum. Let's see how it wears with the foundation and everything after I'm done. Really like the glitters that are in here. Let's swatch a couple. Okay. Wow, look at that. Look at these. Guys, look at that. Base color right here, A7. These colors are so easily blendable, like beautiful. Look at that. The color actually looks lighter in the pan, but when you put it on it's like deeper, which I'm not mad at. Actually, it's really pretty. And with B7, it's this brown color right here. I struggle with glitter sometimes because I love it, but then I hate it because it's hard to take off. Let's do it anyway. Let's do it. I'm gonna do D1. I've been looking at that color for a minute. Fruity. I'm loving this. I always want to like stick to neutral colors and then I'm like, pow, pop of color. I remember when I was super intimidated by bright colors and I was like super scared to even attempt an eye look. And now I'm like all in. Honestly, I really like that you can diffuse the glitter how it's super bold when you put it on and then you can like keep blending and then it turns soft. Like, it's just really pretty. And I'm gonna add more of the B7, that chocolate color, just to kind of cut or reshape that crease. This bronzer, it's been my favorite. So Marc Jacobs Tantalize, the Omega Browns Tantalize bronzer. I found this at Marshall's, and I was like, I'm gonna get it. I think I paid like 16. This is like 54, 59. I don't know, I have to check, but 16. Yes, I was gonna get it. You know, sometimes you just gotta go with it. Gotta snatch the nose. Don't get scared, it's gonna... See? I'm gonna use B2 as a blush. So soft, I love it. I remember I used to not like blush, and I was like, I'll never wear blush. And now it's like, I can't stop wearing it. I went in with the Cucumber Setting Spray by Romantic Beauty. I like to do that like after, I typically will spray at the beginning, in the middle of my makeup, and then at the end. So it's just to make your makeup last. This is the Full Frontal Fenty Beauty mascara. My new favorites, these are Jelly Wink Cosmetics Lilith lashes. When I think of Lilith, it reminds me of the series, The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. I cut my hair like 3 times last year. It keeps growing. It's crazy. Which I'm not angry about. I'm not mad about it. I don't mind it. It's just, I don't know how to style my hair. Sometimes I just want to dye it back blonde, but honestly, I'm really loving my dark hair. I think before I move, I'm just gonna dye it to black, because I didn't know you can get sunburned on your head. you learn something new. But I ended up getting sunburned on my scalp, and I lost a patch of hair right in the middle of my head. Yep. And it decided to grow back, right? But I was also blessed. I was blessed with one of my dad's amazing genes of premature white hairs. Thank you, Dad. We're gonna go in with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. This is one of my favorites. I just forget about it sometimes because I have a full drawer of different highlighters and it's a tiny one, so gotta make sure I move it. Now we're going to go in with Romantic Beauty's number 2 matte lipstick. That smells good. It smells fruity. I can't stop smelling it. Oh my gosh. So this smells like my childhood. I remember we used to buy those Smackers lip glosses that had like, that tasted like Starburst. That's what it tastes. That's what it smells like. It doesn't taste like anything. All right, guys. So what do you guys think? This is the final look. Alright guys, well thank you so much for joining me today, and I am super impressed with the Romantic Beauty 35 color palette. It's so beautiful. I really truly recommend it to you guys. Loved all of their products. Their primer left my skin feeling smooth and looking smooth. Their setting spray smells so bomb, and also the matte lipstick, it's so moisturizing, and then it's also very creamy, which I love. Thank you, Romantic Beauty, for sending me these products. They sent me these products to review, and I am super impressed with them. So I do recommend them. Let me know what you guys think about the look that I created, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye guys.